Ayun, nakatingin, no? Sige, diretso tayo.
Huwag mo siyang tingnan eh. Kung ano nga eh. Yung...
Tumatakbo? Wow, that's a huge dog. I'm scared with that German Shepherd. He's looking at us. Oh, man.
Kasi nangangain ka ng aso.
Huh?
Kasi nangangain ka ng aso.
I don't even look at him. He's looking at me. Sino may-ari niya? Oh, laki ng ulo, oh.
Eh, tinitingnan mo siya eh.
Wow! Look at the dog! A German Shepherd dog! We're almost done walking. Kala ko dito ko sa kanan na eh. This is the office. Yeah. That's the office of the Grand View. Oh, wait, man. Oh, there pa. Beautiful sunny day in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today is December 29. 2 more days before New Year. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the New Year. A new year. Okay. Sige pa. Ganun mo yung legs. Just stretch out. 2150. It's a long walk.